one that I choose is my elective. Well, David, for the last few nights, you know, we've had goose connections of one sort or another, but surely by now the goose is cooked.
Just one more night, Richard. It's not goose, it's actually the word fool, and I'm going to talk about all the variations that involve fool in the dictionary. Now, the word fool is most likely linked to the Latin word follus, which is bellows, the bellows that you use to sort of magnify a fire, with the idea that being a fool is someone who chunters on, a windbag, if you like.
Or a bit of a goose.
A bit of a goose. Now, there's fool in several variations, such as a fool's cap, which is a size of paper. I think it's 13.5 by 17 inches in the old money.
But we tend to call it foolscap, don't we?
We do.
I hadn't even realised it was fool's cap.
That's right, because the original paper, when it was produced by an English printer, actually had a watermark of a harlequin on it, and hence the fool's cap name. A fool's errand is a bit like a wild goose chase. It's something that you may give to an apprentice or someone who's just joined a firm, not that we encourage this sort of behaviour, to go off and find a glass hammer or a tin of elbow grease, something that you will never find. A fool's paradise is a delusional idea of happiness, when in fact the person experiencing that is actually deluding themselves. And lastly is fool's gold. Now, I had no idea that actually there was a particular fool when it comes to the word fool's gold, which is it's iron pyrite. It's not gold, but it looks like gold because of the glister of that stone. But there was a navigator in 1576, an English navigator called Martin Frobisher, who went off in search of the Northwest Passage, and he came back with his ship heavily laden. What he thought was with gold, but in fact it was just tons and tons of iron pyrite.
How disappointing would that have been by the time you got home?
We were better off asking Martin to go off and get a tin of striped paint, I would have thought. But anyway, so he is the fool, unfortunately, recorded in the dictionary as being linked to fool's gold.
Oh, very nice work. Thank you, David.
Pleasure.
Our scores. Philip is on 13 and Anne is on 20 on this Friday night. We have some more letters coming up, and Philip, can you deliver, please?
Could I have a consonant, please, Lily?
Thanks, Philip. L.
And a second consonant?
N.
And another?
V.
And a vowel?
O.
A vowel?
A.
And a vowel?
I.
And a consonant?
L.
And a vowel?
Another A.
And a consonant?
And to finish, R.
Here's our clock. What did you make of those, Philip?
I didn't make much of it at all, Richard. A 5.
5. Anne?
Similarly, 5.
5 for you. Let's have yours, please.
Villa.
And yours?
A veil?
A veil. Couple of 5. So this was a little bit of a difficult Friday night mix, David?
It was. Without an E in the neighbourhood, it really became quite tough to sort of extend those words.
What did you manage to dig out anyway, though?
Well,
hopefully it wasn't pyrite.
No, it wasn't pyrite. But I did take AN and I put it inside villa to create vanilla for 7.
Nicely done. But Anne and Philip, 5 each. Well, it worked last time. Anne, can we have a full Monty, please?
Sure.
In fact, could you arrange for all of us in the studio to get a full Monty?
No, I can't do that.
Well, do what you can.
A bit hard. Let's start then with a vowel.
Thanks, Anne.
Please.
U.
And another vowel.
E.
And so now we'll have a consonant.
M.
And another consonant.
C.
And another consonant.
K.
And a vowel.
I.
And another vowel.
E.
And a consonant.
R.
And a last consonant.
And last letter, D.
Time starts now. Monty?
Well, I didn't get a full Monty. I got a 7.
You got a 7. That is very good going. And Philip?
Only 6, I'm afraid.
Let's begin with your 6.
Rucked.
Rucked. And your 7, Anne?
Muckier.
Muckier is a lovely word, David.
And it's listed in the jet. I did need to check because of that spelling shift, but well done. The best to be found.
It was nice work from Anne. 7 points. Back to the numbers now. And Philip, what have you got in store for us?
I'm not keen on that clothesline mix that Anne had. I'm quite happy with the classroom mix, please, Lily.
Thanks, Philip. That's 1 large and 5 small. And our numbers: 6, 4, 3, 1, 5, and the large is 100. The target to reach is 636.
30 seconds to get there. Well, Philip, I doubt that was all that much of a challenge for you.
I got 636, Richard.
636, right on the target. And you as well?
Yes, I did.
Pretty nice and cooperative numbers. Tell us what you did, Philip.
100 plus 6
100 plus 6.
is 106.
Yep.
5 plus 1 is 6.
5 plus 1 is 6.
Multiplied the two together,
Yep.
gives you 636.
Well done.
It certainly does. Straight to that answer. And Anne, you're getting ready to verify, I can see. You've done it exactly the same way. And it was a good way, wasn't it, Lily?
Yeah, perfection.
No variations we need to know about?
I can show you another.
Yeah, different approach.
Sure.
Okay,
Here's a kitchen sink version.
Okay.
100 plus 5 by the 6 is 630, and then add the 3 and the 4, take the 1 is 636.
Lovely kitchen sink on a Friday night. Well done, Lily. But very nice. And Philip, 10 points each. So Philip, 28, and on 42. We're heading for another break. Another word mix for you: shove ice. And the clue: a team that sticks together. Back after the break.